Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So glad to be shooting and filming again. This video is going to be slightly different, so if you don't want to see anything Christmassy, if you don't want to hear anything Christmassy, go and watch some of my other videos and then come back to this one in December, because this video is all about putting up my Christmas tree. It's gone up today. I know a lot of you will think it's a little bit early, but I enjoy it. I think it's pretty and I thought I would share it with you. So to start with, I am just clearing the space where the Christmas tree is going to go, and then I'm going to send you into a time lapse for the rest of the video just so you can see the whole process. It is slightly different to my usual cleaning videos, but I hope that you really enjoy this one. I enjoyed making it, so I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell down below just so you don't miss any future uploads, and also give this video a thumbs up because it really helps my page when you do that. The lighting in this video is going to be all over the place. At the moment when I am putting the tree up, it is in the evening, so I've just got the light on because it is pitch black. Because of the time of year, it is dark now by like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But I'm doing this at about 8 o'clock in the evening, so the lighting isn't great, but hopefully you get the idea. And when it came to putting the lights on the tree, I definitely needed my husband's help. It is actually normally my husband that does the lights by himself on the tree. I don't normally have any input, but this year I wanted to try and do everything myself, but I couldn't do the lights by myself, so we just went round in circles wrapping it up. It was so much easier with 2 people, so I think we'll definitely be doing it like this from now on. And I'm now just sorting all the decorations into separate piles, just in the colours, so I know what I've got, how many of each thing that I've got, and this actually took a lot longer than you would think. I wasn't sure whether to use tinsel on the tree this year. We normally use tinsel. I put it on to begin with, but I didn't like it. I don't think we really had enough, so it didn't look right. So as you can see, I'm using the rope, the beads, and then just the hanging decorations this year. Gonna give the tinsel a miss and just see what it looks like. I'm just going to insert a quick little warning here. If you are epileptic or you struggle with flashing lights, please don't watch any more of my video, because I do turn the lights on and it becomes quite flashy, especially at the end of the video. I do close-ups of the tree, so it will just be one big light show. So if you do struggle with that, if you are epileptic, please don't watch the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one. I'm actually quite proud of my wrapping skills this year. Again, normally it's my husband that does the wrapping because I am really bad at it. For some reason I can't wrap, but these few presents that I've done have actually turned out pretty well. We've only got a few so far, but I thought if I get them wrapped and under the tree, it just finishes off the whole aesthetic and it just makes it look really, really pretty. And this is the finished look. As you can see, I do go for the very traditional red and gold colours, but I've added in some pinks and purples and just made it a little bit more modern. I think it is so pretty. Just the golds at this time of year just make it all so warm. These little ornaments that I've picked up from the range and Home Bargain, I think really finished the whole look off. And yeah, this is my finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I've really enjoyed this one. I hope you have as well. Let me know what you think of my decorations in the comments below, and leave this a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.
Ho, 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 ho.